2018, and as you guys can see, Wishtrend TV has been following the beauty trends every single year. So therefore, we have prepared 2018 beauty trends. We have chosen beauty trends that you need to trash in 2018. I'm going to show you wrong beauty practices and knowledge, so please stay tuned to know further. Also, in our 2017 beauty trend video, some of you wanted to know the color of the year. So the color of the year for 2018 is ultraviolet. Today I'm going to be filming with the color of the year of 2018, ultraviolet. Last year, some of the keywords that we mentioned were self-styling, home aesthetics, no chemi gurus, hypoallergenic hair care products, smart multi-beauty items, and natural contouring. And these words were what we seem to expect for that year. So I will show you beauty trends and things that we have known that have been misunderstood and show you guys the right way for 2018. We are not saying that what we recommend is a must, and we just want you guys to take note of what we say and choose according to your own skincare. It's best to use these skincare tips according to your skin type and condition, environment, and the weather. Using a facial mask daily is good for your skin. Moisture and calming facial mask may be used every day, but a facial mask with a special function can actually make your skin more sensitive. For example, facial mask that contains keratin removal functions or pore tightening effects could actually contain ingredients that can make your skin a lot more sensitive. Therefore, it's best to use these sort of facial masks 1 to 2 times a week. Many of you have been wondering about the KLAIRS Moisture Calming Facial Mask, right? Also, many of you have wanted us to restock on this product. We are actually in a process of renewing this product to become an even better facial mask, so please wait. The material of the sheet mask will be changed and a new sheet mask will be launched, so please stay tuned for that. You must wash your face twice every time. Yes, we recommend washing your face twice if you had a lot of makeup packed on that day, but if you had slight bit of makeup or even no makeup at all, washing your face once is more than enough. And especially those with oily skin, you may wash your face twice to control your oils, but actually washing your face twice when it's not needed could stimulate sebum secretion and make your skin irritated. In addition, in the case of washing your face in the morning, sebum and dead skin cells may be clogged up, so washing with water may not be enough. Therefore, it is important to use a cleanser that is less acidic and has natural surfactants. Sleeping with a facial mask is good for your skin. After your sheet mask dries up, it actually takes away moisture from your skin, so it is important to remove your sheet mask before it dries. Usually sheet masks, for example cotton sheet masks, 15 to 20 minutes is plenty for your sheet mask application. Using a hydrogel type sheet mask, the drying time is actually prolonged compared to the cotton sheet mask, so 30 minutes is enough. And with the by Wishtrend hours-long sheet masks, you could keep it on to up to 40 minutes. When the sheet mask is made out of Lancel, the moisture retaining time is a lot longer, so we could even keep it on for 40 minutes and have your skin all moisturized. Using a facial mist is enough to recharge the moisture you need. You may think that using a facial mist when it's really dry is effective. You can feel that your skin is moisturized right after you use it, right? However, if you just spray the mist and leave it, it evaporates. It's better to spray it and then warm up and heat up your hands and press down to maximize absorption and minimize evaporation. Using 10 or more products in your skincare routine. We tend to use various serums and boosters, moisturizers and eye creams, and even more. Quite a bit of it can fill up our vanity table and we end up using a lot of products at one time. However, if you use all these 10 products at once, your skin may not be able to absorb it. Also, it is important to check out the ingredients of the products because some of it could actually offset the function of other functional ingredients. Have a product that basically contains a moisture function and have 2 products that gives a synergy effect for the function you need. Then use it in this routine: toner, essence or serum, mask, sheet, eye cream, cream, or sleeping mask. Choose 3 to 5 products in this routine and keep it going. Is the best way to store makeup in the fridge? You may think that actually keeping your beauty products in the fridge and cool could keep it fresh, and you could also see refrigerators especially made for beauty products. However, cosmetic products do not necessarily have to be kept cold as long as it's away from direct sunlight and it's in room temperature. Not only that, but most beauty products are made especially to be kept in the room temperature, and products containing oils can actually harden when kept in the fridge. Therefore, make sure to read the storage instructions listed after you purchase a product. Luxury product is the best. Trash it. Many women believe it makes sense to invest in a luxury brand beauty product like investing in luxury fashion or luxury bags. But for skin, dermatologists would say otherwise. According to dermatologist Dindy Angelman from Manhattan, luxury brand products do not necessarily contain more effective ingredients than drugstore products. She continued by saying that the most important criteria in choosing a product is knowing your skincare troubles and finding ingredients that help cure it. In 2017, the trend was choosing product comparing price and quality. In 2018, you will see a trend of choosing skincare products that personally fit me. 1. Against animal testing. Approximately 100 million animals are sacrificed worldwide for cosmetic development. There are many who are raising their voices against animal testing. In 2018, one of the beauty trends should be strengthening the idea of animal testing being banned. The European Union has banned animal testing and has prohibited importation of cosmetic products from animal experiments. The EU is acting on this further and even plans on intensifying this in the future. Our Wish company is 100% opposed with animal testing and is not proceeding with any relations related to animal testing either. In other words, Wishtrend does not sell any products related to animal experiments. Derma Cosmetics. In 2018, you will see beauty purchasing patterns depending on what fits me. Derma Cosmetics will be the 2018 Korean skincare trend that will help choose products that fit me. Derma Cosmetics is a combination of dermatology and cosmetics. This also implies that the products sold in pharmacies are made from dermatologists and skin experts. It is especially known as a product that will help relieve skin diseases. The term Derma Cosmetics is used in a variety of ways, but usually it's used to describe high-functional products. The Derma Cosmetic product that we have chosen for this year is the by Wishtrend 1% Teca Barrier Cream. The key main Teca ingredient is the Centella asiatica extract containing Asiatic coside, Asiatic acid, and metacasic acid. This ingredient includes the maximum amount, which is 1%, and it is used to strengthen the skin after laser treatment. Various types of masks. In 2017, self-beauty routines were very popular, and one of the most popular self-beauty routines were mask packs. It is the most easiest way to keep up a self-beauty routine, and it is expected to continue in 2018 with even further functions upgraded. It seems that there has been a new variety types of self-masks and even further functions depending on individuals' wants. There will be a variety of products released, such as managing eye fatigue or scalp scaling and other parts of the body that are usually neglected. Mask sheets used to be mostly plain cotton sheets, but will now come in wash-off types or even sleeping packs. Recently, Wishtrend has released a functional sheet mask that is different from ordinary sheet masks. You may have heard about the by hours long mask. The material Lancel can be applied on your face for up to 40 minutes without losing any moisture. Lancel is thinner than paper and is a slightly see-through material but can absorb a great amount of serum in essence. When you see the Lancel integrated with jelly, you can see the product swell up like jelly. This sheet mask helps with brightening and wrinkle care all at once. A full 30 grams of essence gives the face full hydration and a refreshing finish. Products that fight pollution. The environment is rapidly changing. In Korea, we experience dust pollution such as fine dust, hot and humid summers, and super cold winters. You may be thinking, what has that got to do with 2018 beauty trends? In fact, it's the outermost surface of your skin that could be affected by fine dust. In fact, it is the outermost barrier of the skin that makes direct contact with this fine dust. Fine dust can absorb into the skin and easily damage it. Therefore, it is important to protect and manage our basic skincare routines such as cleansing, hydration, and sun care, depending on the environment and the pollution. When coming home, use a warm steam towel to open up your pores and use an adequate product to exfoliate or clean out your pores. This will effectively help get rid of dead skin cells. I will introduce 2 products from Wishtrend that could effectively clean out pores and manage them. The KLAIRS Gentle Black Sugar Facial Polish. The black sugar ingredient actually melts the blackheads and sebum inside the pores. It basically manages and gets rid of the waste within our pores from the environment. KLAIRS Scrub instantly clears away dead skin while providing deep moisture. The 4-phrase system. No alcohol, no parabens, no animal testing, and no artificial coloring. The black sugar exfoliates dead skin cells, leaving the skin soft and glowing. Green tea and enzyme powder wash. Green tea and pac pine are the main ingredients of the green tea powder. They remove dead skin cells and waste, improving skin tone. This powder helps balance the water and oil balance so that our faces are left with a fresh, hydrated finish. Skincare products that calm the skin and sunblock products could also help with skin that is irritated from the environment. A soothing serum. A cooling serum will help maintain your skin to be cool as well as lower the skin's temperature. It not only helps balance oil and water ratio, but its texture texture that helps calm, moisturizes, and quickly absorb to the skin. The blue cream's main ingredient, guanidine, helps with cooling and soothing of the heated skin from UV rays. It also contains Centella asiatica extract, which helps with the regeneration and restoration of the skin. The blue cream contains ceramide, which hydrates and enhances the skin barrier. Finally, it is very important to cleanse, but also important to keep your skin protected from the environment such as polluted air, fine dust, UV rays, and heat. I recommend the KLAIRS Sun Lotion that protects from the UVAs and the UVBs as well as heat at the same time. It contains guanidine, which is the same ingredient from the blue calming cream, which protects and calms heated skin. So it protects as well as prevents skin damage. All-purpose products will continue to be popular in 2018. All-purpose beauty products were very popular in 2017. Using one product for multi-purposes was the idea, and it became a great demand in the market. It seems like this year, with busy lifestyles and simple consumption habits, all-purpose products will be continued to released and upgraded in various forms. Therefore, you can see the pool and categories of multi-beauty products increasing. For instance, a couple of years ago, using a multifunctional product was especially for men who didn't want to waste time using different products. But today, a lot of people are interested in oils that could be used for both hair and face, and skincare products that could be used for base makeup, and even lip products that could double up as blusher. In 2017, the trends of comparing price and quality has increased multifunctional products that can solve purchasing many different items using one item. We believe that these all-purpose products will continue to be popular this year. All over lotion. Just like the name, this can be used anywhere, including the face, body, hand, foot, or hair. You can feel that your skin becomes moist immediately after applied. There is no stickiness and it feels light and fresh. It comes in a large tube and it is alcohol and paraben free, making it a safe, mild lotion. Vitamin E mask. It could be used as a multi-balm full of moisture, a thick sleeping pack, or even just a moisturizer. The pudding type texture leaves the skin moisturized for more than 8 hours, leaving it fresh and smooth. Green tea powder. The green tea powder, as mentioned previously, is not only used for cleansing but also for exfoliating and a foam pack. Watch our Beauty Lab channel if you guys want to see the different tips we give on the green tea powder wash. We definitely will research more and try to give you more beauty related tips for this year. If you have any questions, then please leave it down in the comment box. Let's all be beautiful in Wishtrend TV in 2018, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be back soon.